Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are going to make baked aubergine with a sweet miso sauce. This recipe makes enough for 4 starters or side dishes. Here are the ingredients for 4 portions. 1 large aubergine, 3 tablespoons of white miso, 3.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of mirin, half teaspoon of soy sauce. Top and tail the aubergine and then cut into 4 pieces. To remove the bitter flavor from the aubergine, soak the pieces in salted water for 20 minutes. Heat the oven to 200°C or 400°F. Dip both sides of the aubergine pieces in the oil, put them on a tray and bake for 20 minutes. Put the miso, sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and water in a small pan. Stir until the miso and sugar are dissolved. Turn off the heat when the sauce begins to bubble. There will be more sauce than you need, so you can keep the leftovers in the fridge for another day. The aubergines are done. Spoon the sauce over each piece and your dish is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.